is produced by Japanese chef Taka-san using a different approach compared to other culinary videos. It is to create a Japanese cuisine community for the viewers to participate in. The content and the dishes are based on requests received from viewers and friends, a program created by the viewers for the viewers. It is a desire to solve questions and problems regarding Japanese cuisine through this Japanese cuisine community.
Hello everyone! Today I will be making two different abalone dishes. First, we'll wash the foot of the abalone. Use a brush to clean the muscle until it turns white. Our first dish will be stewed abalone. Time to prepare the ingredients. Make cuts in the abalone to prepare it for stewing. After prepping the abalone, blanch with daikon radish. Enzymes in the daikon radish will help soften the abalone. Boiling will make your abalone tough, so remove them before that happens. Rinse the abalone under running water until it cools. This rinse will also remove any odors. Now we'll make the cooking liquid for the abalone. Add all the ingredients to a pot and bring to a boil. After bringing to a boil, reduce slightly. Set the heat to low before adding the abalone. Cover with foil or lid and stew for 3 to 5 minutes. While that's cooking, we'll prepare the pan-fried abalone. First, remove the meat with a shucking knife. Remove the liver and the mouth. Making a V-shaped cut around the mouth will make it easier to take out. It's time to prepare the spices. Today, we'll be using ginger, Japanese ginger or myoga, and onion. Smash the abalone livers. Mix the chopped spices and abalone livers together and finish with the touch of miso. Now cut the abalone into bite-sized pieces. Now mix the liver sauce and abalone pieces together. Begin the cooking process by searing the abalone together with the sauce. After searing the ingredients, spoon them into the abalone shells. Top the shells with sea urchin and bake at 250 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. By now, our stewed abalone should be done. Letting it rest for a half day will make it even tastier. All that's left is plating. Finished. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel.